Tired of your QuickBooks reconciliation being off, causing you accounting nightmares? Let's fix that. First, navigate to the banking menu in QuickBooks Desktop, then select Reconcile. Make sure you've selected the correct bank account and that the statement date and beginning balance match your bank statement exactly. A typo here is a common culprit. See that difference field? That's where the problem lies. If it's not zero, we need to investigate. Carefully review all cleared transactions in QuickBooks against your bank statement. Look for transactions that may have been accidentally marked as cleared or perhaps were missed entirely. If you find a discrepancy, like an incorrect amount, double-click the transaction to edit it. Correct the amount, date, or other details as needed. Alternatively, use the Go To button to jump directly to the original transaction entry window to investigate and correct it. If you're truly stuck, consider undo last reconciliation, but only as a last resort. This will allow you to start the reconciliation process from scratch. Remember to back up your QuickBooks file first. Once the difference is zero, congratulations! You've successfully reconciled your account. Click the Reconcile Now button. Then be sure to print or save your reconciliation report for your records. This provides an audit trail of the process. That's it. With these steps, you'll conquer those reconciliation discrepancies and keep your financial records accurate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.